Today I am beginning new chapter, lesson number 10, mineral and energy resources. You know very well that in our India is rich for metals, minerals and all things. So first of all, I will tell about metallic metals. Minerals which contain some part of metal are called metallic minerals. It is further divided into two types. You know that minerals which contains metal parts, that is called metallic minerals. We divide into two parts as ferrous minerals. Minerals having iron content, for example, iron ore, chromite, pyrite, tungsten, cobalt, etc. Iron, loha, iron contain iron, so that is ferrous, and minerals not having iron content, that is non-ferrous minerals. Devoid of iron content, for example, gold, silver, copper, zinc, bauxite, magnesium. Non-metallic minerals which do not have metal contents like limestone, dolomite, mica, gypsum are example of these. Energy minerals are also included in non-metallic minerals. So according to our chapter, fuel minerals which are used fuel material, we call them fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Coal, koila, petrol, you know very well, natural gas, prakriti gas. Nuclear power minerals which give atomic energy. Nuclear power minerals, they include uranium, beryllium, thorium, limonite. Now, about 100 metallic and non-metallic minerals are found in India, out of which there are 52 non-metallic, 10 metallic and 23 minor minerals. Building material, 4 are fuel minerals, which form 3.4% of GDP and 11% of industrial production. Major minerals belts of India. First of all, Northeast Peninsular Belt. This belt spread from Chotanagpur Plateau to Odisha Plateau region. This belt is the most wealthiest mineral belt of India. In this belt, there are large reserves of coal, koila, iron, loha, iron ore, kacha loha, manganese, mica, bauxite, copper, and many other minerals. Central belt. It extended from Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. This is the second wealthiest mineral belt in India. Here minerals reserves of manganese. Here which type of minerals found here? Manganese, bauxite, limestone, marble, coal, emerald, iron ore, mica, etc. found here. Now third one, southern belt. This belt is spread from Karnataka, Plateau and highlands of Tamil Nadu. Like northeastern peninsular belt, this belt is also having good reserves of iron ore, bauxite. It means not very much percentage of these minerals, coal, mica and copper minerals, very rare. Southwestern belt, this belt is extended in southern parts of Karnataka and Goa states. Here rich deposits of iron ore, garnet and clay are found. Northwestern belt, this belt is spread in the Aravalli region of Rajasthan and adjoining areas of Gujarat. Here the reserves of non-ferrous metallic minerals like copper, lead, zinc, etc. are found with the deposits of uranium, mica, precious stone, कीमती पत्थर, gypsum, salt, etc. Now major minerals of India. Iron ore. It is the backbone of modern industrial economy, which is obtained from igneous rocks. So iron ore obtained from igneous rocks. You know there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. India is the second largest country after Russia in the world in its reserves. So we have second largest country in the world which have iron ore. Four types of iron ore here. First of all, magnetite, second hematite, third limonite, and fourth siderite found in India. India has iron deposits of 2300 crore tons, which is 20% of the world availability. It includes magnetite 60 to 70% of iron element, 8% hematite, 70 to 80% iron element, 85%, and 7% of other kinds. Production and distribution of iron in India is as follows. Odisha have 22% hematite type of iron ore deposits in Mayurganj, Sundargarh, Keonjhar district. It is found in Gurumisim, Badam Hills are in Mayurganj district and also in Baspani, Thakurani, Kiruburu in Keonjhar district. Iron ore is exported to Japan and other countries from Paradeep and Visakhapatnam ports. Karnataka 25% of total reserves and 26% of iron ore production is obtained from this state. Here hematite type of iron ore is found in Bellary, Chikmagalur, Chitradurg, Shimoga district. It is also found in Baba Budan Hills, Kiman, Gudi, Kadrimukh or Chikmagalur district also. This iron ore is refined in Bhadravati and Vijayanagar plants. Now Chhattisgarh district, it is the third largest state in production of iron. 80% iron ore of total reserves and 20% of total production is obtained from this state. Reserves of hematite type of iron ore are found in Bastar, Durg, Dhanmatewada, Bilaspur, Rajnandgam district. It is also found in Dahali, Rajara range, Beladia, Ravghat, Vidalpur regions. The iron ore is refined in Bhilai plants and the remaining iron ore is exported to Japan from Visakhapatnam port. Beladia mine is the largest iron ore mine in Asia. It is found in Chhattisgarh. Goa. It is the fourth largest iron ore producing state of the country. 11% of total production of the country is obtained from this state. Here limonite and siderite type of inferior quality of iron ore with impurities along with manganese is found. The reserves of iron ore here are found in Pirna, Adelpele, Asnora, Kudnem Surla, Tosila, Dongar, Vado areas. Entire iron obtained from here is exported via Marmagova port, Jharkhand. It is the fifth largest iron ore producing state in the country where 10.4% of total iron ore is produced. Reserves of iron ore are present in Singhbhumi and Palamu district. It is obtained from Yamundi, Goa and Daltonganj area of the district. This iron ore is refined in Kulti and Baranpur plants. Mining of iron ore started first of all in this district. Other states from Telangana, Salem in Tamil Nadu, Udaipur, Jaipur, Bhilwara, Alwar, Rajasthan, and Mahendragarh in Haryana. It is the third most important export item in foreign trade. It is exported to Japan and some European country. According to our syllabus, I think only iron is given in this area, in this syllabus. Only iron. Now, coal. The production of and distribution of these resources of the country as follows. You can see here. Coal. India is the third largest coal producing country in the world after China and America. In India, coal was found first in Raniganj in 1774. After this, its development started in 19th century. Its discovery and mining began in other parts of the country. Coal has been categorized on the basis of carbon contents as anthracite 80 to 95%, bituminous 40 to 80%, lignite 40 to 55%, peat less than 40%, coal In India, 98.5% deposits are present and 99% production of coal is obtained from sedimentary rocks of Gondwana period. Very important point. It is physically present in Mahanadi Valley region, Damodar Valley, Son Valley, Godavari Varda region, and in Five River Valley region of Brahmani, Indravati, and Koil. Here, bituminous coal is found in the form of thick layers of 10 meter to 30 meter. Lignite type of inferior quality coal of tertiary period built about 15 to 60 lakh years ago is found in mixed form. The deposits of such type of coal are found in Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. You can see here the map of India. Next part, coal reserves production and production area in India. Jharkhand 28% reserve, total production 22, major regions Jharia, Bokaro, Rajmahal, Doghar, Daltonganj. These all things are written upper side in map. Odisha 24 reserves percentage, total production of the country 16%. Chhattisgarh total percentage of reserve 16, production 15. West Bengal reserve 11%, production 6%. Madhya Pradesh 8% reserve, 13% production. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh 7% reserve, 9% production. Maharashtra 4% reserve, 6% production of India. Uttar Pradesh 0.50 reserve, 0.15 production. Other state 2 reserve, production 6%. Tertiary coal 0.50 percentage reserve, 7% production. Total coal in India 100 here. Coal production in India 2012 to 13 556.40 10 lakh tons. 13-14 565.77 10 lakh tons. 2014 to 15 612.44 10 lakh tons. 2015 to 16 447.48 10 lakh tons. Lignite coal is found in Rajasthan, which is present with limestone at Kapurdi, Jalipa, Giral, Badkha, Gunga, and Sivin Badmer. Barsinger, Palana, Gudda, Desnog, Bikaner, Medta, Kasanu, Kuchira, Matasugi, Nagaur district. Lignite in Rajasthan is used in thermal power. Petroleum production not including in a syllabus. Atomic energy minerals included in a syllabus this time. Atomic energy minerals: uranium 338, 235 and 233, plutonium 239, thorium, beryllium and zircon minerals are used in atomic energy. 1 ounce of uranium can produce energy equal to 100 metric tons of coal. Atomic Energy Commission was founded in 1948 and then 17 atomic reactors were established in India. These atomic reactors generate 4800 MW electricity. In atomic reserve, uranium reserves are found in Dharwad and Archean rocks, Singhbhumi in Bihar, in pegmatite rocks in mica regions of Rajasthan, azite rocks in coastal parts of Kerala. Thorium reserves are present in the sands of Kerala and Bihar. Deposits of ilmenite reserves are present in the sands of Kerala, and beryllium reserves are present in Rajasthan, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Now minerals in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is known as the Museum of Minerals. About 79 types of minerals are found in Rajasthan, out of which 44 kinds are large, 23 small and 12 micro minerals. 44 kinds are large minerals, 23 small minerals and 12 micro minerals. From availability point of view, Rajasthan is the third largest mineral producing state in the country after Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Some cities and towns in Rajasthan are famous for minerals like Copper City Khechdi, Marble City Makrana. Rajasthan has monopoly in deposits of some minerals like lead, zinc, silver, wollastonite, jasper, fluorite, gypsum, asbestos, rock phosphate, tungsten and garnet. The distribution of minerals in Rajasthan is given in the following tables and diagrams. You can see here major metallic minerals. This chapter completed. So I think you all students are liking my videos. In previous class, someone comment that sir, please teach us in total English. So today I am giving you lecture in English. So thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.